Hey friends, if you encounter the error your PC will automatically restart in 1 minute on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to simply restart the computer because that's what it's asking. But the problem isn't limited to it. The problem is with corruption with the system. And I would have suggested an SFC scan, but it doesn't work in this case. So here's what you can do. Update Windows along with all the drivers. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on Check for Updates. Select Advanced Options. Select Optional Updates. Expand this. Check all the optional updates and other updates as well. Click on Download and Install and make sure that each and every update is installed on your system. Then you can run an antivirus scan. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, select Scan Options, Full Scan, scroll down, Scan Now and Fixed. And lastly, if everything else fails and you don't have any option, you will have to perform a cloud reset on your system. But this will delete all data on your system, so I will suggest backing up your files before performing this solution. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Recovery. Click on Reset PC, select Remove Everything, and then finally select Cloud Download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.